Hi and welcome back to GSM-ABC, and today I'm going to show you how to secure your apps using App Lock. First thing you need to do is go to Play Store, search for App Lock, then install this application. When it's done, click Open, click Allow. Now set your PIN for your applications. Enter the PIN again to confirm it. And now add your apps. Click on the plus button and choose which app you want to put the password onto. Let's say Facebook, Galaxy Store, and Gmail. Click on plus button, click OK. Then enable usage data on App Lock, click on this one, then click again OK, enable appear on top on App Lock application, then click OK. Then click Allow, and now you're all set and done. If you want to access Facebook, you have to enter the PIN. And again, if you want to access your Gmail, you have to enter your password. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.